From the picture, I perceive 6 characters, 2 female and 4 male in the age group 15 to 45 years and all in positive mood. The action of my story is visiting Rishikesh during summer vacations. Meenu, 18 years old, was a student of class 12 living in Ambala. During summer vacations, her family decided to go to Rishikesh for vacations. She, on hearing this, also invited 2 of her cousins and asked permission from his parents. She also helped her father in booking the tickets and and searching for a place there. They went there and enjoyed the activities like trekking, campfire, and she also clicked pictures from the camera she carried. They came back and with a lot of loving memories. Thank you. From the picture, I perceive 2 characters, one male aged 30 years and one female aged 25 years, and both in negative mood. The action of my story is helping the friend from the miscreants. And the story is, Ragini, 25, was working in an MNC. She used to go to work by bus every day. One day while returning, she noticed that while few passengers were left, some men started teasing a girl. She asked for help from the conductor and the bus driver also, but she noticed that both of them were involved with them. She also noticed that they are also carrying the gun. She snatched it. She threatened the bus driver to stop the bus with the help of the gun snatched from them. She took the girl to the police station and complained and filed a complaint against them and also returned the gun. Thank you. From the picture, I perceive 6 to 8 characters in the age group 18 to 40 years, and the main character of my story is 18 years old and in positive mood. The action of my story is helping the injured. Shreyans, 18 years old, was the student of class 12, Army Public School, Ambala, Kent. One day while going to school on his bicycle, he saw an accident happen between a truck and a jeep. He immediately went to the site and checked for the persons inside the vehicles. In a few minutes, more people gathered over there, and with their help, he took out the injured persons and gave them first aid. In the meantime, he also informed the CMP personals over there, and ambulance also arrived there. He after that went to his school and informed about the reason for being late. Thank you. From the picture, I perceive a group of people, some male and some female in the age group 18 to 30 years and all in positive mood. The action of my story is participating in marathon. Ria, 18, was the student of class 12 living in Ambala. On the eve of Yoga Day, a 15-kilometer marathon was being organized by the Environment Club of Ambala. She got excited when she heard the news and decided to participate in the marathon. She informed her parents about the event and her younger brother, and they all agreed. She also informed her friends to participate in the event, and they made a group together of the people willing to participate in the marathon. On the day, they all gathered at a point, and she also carried water bottles and some basic medical kit for the event. They participated in the marathon, and it was a very happy moment for them. Thank you. From the picture, I perceive 4 to 5 characters, all male in the age group 17 to 30 years and all in positive mood. The action of my story is visiting the port. Shreyans, 18, was the student of class 12 living in New Delhi. Once his school organized a 2-day trip to the ISRO launch site at Odisha. He was very excited and he gave his name for the trip as he was very fond of space. He took permission from his parents and informed them about the details. On the day, they went to the destination by the vehicle arranged by the school, and after reaching there, he got to know more about the space and the development projects, and after that, their school also visited the nearby port where they got to know about the working of the port and the ships there. And after coming back, shared the experience with his classmates and friends. Thank you. From the picture, I perceive two characters, one male and one female, in the age group 17 to 18 years, and both in positive mood. The action of my story is making a science project. Ria, 18, was the student of class 12 living in Ambala. Once her school organized a science exhibition to be held in the school MP hall. So for that, she gave her name to the teacher and made a team of 4 members. Together, they decided the theme of the project, and they decided it to be a hydroelectric power plant. And after that, she done the research on the topic and made a list of the materials to be required for the project, and also calculated the total amount of money to be that will be involved in making the project. After that, she distributed the task among them of bringing the materials required, and then they used to meet during 0 periods and free periods in the lab to complete the project and integrate the parts of that. And on the day of exhibition, the project was completed, and she appreciated her team members for their support. Thank you.
क्या आप भी प्रेस्टिजियस नेशनल डिफेंस एकेडमी में जाकर सेना में अधिकारी बनना चाहते हैं? क्या आप भी अपने कंधों पर सितारे देखना चाहते हैं? तो आपके पास 2 ऑप्शंस है। या तो आप दूसरों की तरह केवल ऑनलाइन सोर्सेज फॉलो कर या गुमराह करने वाली कोचिंगों में पढ़कर अपने अटेम्प्ट्स को वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, और आपके पास एक और ऑप्शन है, और वो है सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी। सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी का NDA रिटन प्लस SSB इंटरव्यू फॉर्मूला पर आधारित एकमात्र कोर्स, जो कि आपको हेल्प करता है न सिर्फ NDA रिटन एग्जाम क्लियर करने में, बल्कि SSB इंटरव्यू क्लियर करने में भी। रक्षा क्षेत्र में ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1, 2, 3 जैसी टॉप रैंक देने वाला एकमात्र रक्षा संस्थान आपको ऑफिसर कैडरे में अपना सुनहरा भविष्य बनाने का मौका दे रहा है। आज ही ज्वाइन करिए NDA रिटन प्लस SSB इंटरव्यू के फॉर्मूला पर आधारित एकमात्र NDA कोर्स लखनऊ एवं देहरादून में।